In Contra Costa County, SB1 funding has provided $32 million to improve worn streets in cities like Concord, Orinda,
We've been able to double our regular paving funds.
and in Walnut Creek on congested arterial streets like Ignacio Valley Road.
It's 75,000 car trips a day. We're going to repay part of it. It's going to add regulation, and it's going to make it a smoother ride.
The Highway 4 680 interchange needs to be redesigned and rebuilt. SB1 funding has paid more than half of $136 million for Phase 3 of the project to widen Highway 4 between Morello Avenue and State Route 242. SB1 and other funding sources will be needed to pay for future improvement work on the interchange.
We're going to be able to do flyovers and make that a much more seamless drive, whether you're driving northbound 680 to get on eastbound 4 or you're driving southbound 680 to get on westbound 4. That is with SB1 funding.
Highway 4 680 is right now just a parking lot.
But the missing gap, the remaining piece that needs to be completed, is that Highway 4 680 interchange.
SB1 is providing approximately $26 million to Contra Costa bus operators like County Connection, Tri-Delta Transit, and WestCat, and interregional transit services like AC Transit and BART. SB1 funds also contributed $1.5 million for bike and pedestrian projects in Contra Costa County. Prop 6 in November would repeal SB1 funding. Contra Costa County would lose that money. There are no announced plans to replace SB1 if voters repeal it.